In the quiet embrace of dawn, as the first rays of sunlight dance through the foliage, there exists a ritual that transcends generations. It is the simple act of placing one foot in front of the other, a journey woven into the fabric of human existence, walking. As we journey through the tapestry of life, aging gracefully, we often overlook the profound advantages that walking offers. Physically, walking is a tonic for the body and soul. With each step, muscles flex and bones strengthen, reclaiming their resilience against the relentless march of age. Unlike strenuous exercises that may strain aging bodies, walking is gentle yet effective, a symphony of movement that harmonizes with the cadence of life. It improves cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and osteoporosis. As we tread the path of aging, these benefits become invaluable pillars of vitality, sustaining us through the ebb and flow of life's seasons. Moreover, walking transcends the physical realm, nurturing our mental and emotional well-being. In the quiet solitude of a morning stroll or the animated chatter of a group expedition, walking fosters a sense of connection to nature, to oneself, and to others. Amidst the bustling pace of modern life, it offers a sanctuary of stillness, a canvas upon which we paint our thoughts and dreams. Research has shown that walking stimulates the production of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, alleviating stress, anxiety, and depression. It fosters mental clarity and creativity, awakening the dormant landscapes of imagination that age often seeks to obscure. As we traverse the tapestry of aging, walking becomes a bridge between the past and the present, a conduit through which memories intertwine with the fabric of time. Each step is a testament to the journeys we have undertaken, the triumphs and tribulations that have shaped our existence. In the gentle rhythm of walking, we find solace in reminiscence, celebrating the joys of yesteryears and finding closure in the chapters we have left behind. It is a pilgrimage of self-discovery, a voyage into the depths of our being where wisdom resides, waiting to be unearthed. Furthermore, walking cultivates a sense of purpose and independence, empowering us to navigate the complexities of aging with grace and dignity. Unlike other forms of exercise that may require specialized equipment or intricate routines, walking is accessible to all, regardless of age or ability. Whether it is a leisurely stroll in the park or a brisk hike through rugged terrain, each step is a declaration of resilience, a testament to the indomitable spirit that defines our humanity. In a world that often seeks to confine aging within the narrow confines of frailty and dependency, walking becomes a rebellion, a defiant proclamation of our autonomy and vitality. In essence, the advantages of walking and aging are not merely confined to the physical realm, but extend far beyond, enriching every facet of our existence. It is a timeless journey, a symphony of movement that transcends the limitations of age, inviting us to embrace the beauty of the present moment and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. So as the sun sets on another day and the shadows lengthen across the horizon, let us heed the call of the open road. For in the gentle cadence of walking, we discover the true essence of what it means to age with grace and dignity.